Hey guys, so today we're going to be doing some more of our tiny home. I have been waiting for this moment for ages. We've been planning it all out. So what we're going to do is we're going to build the roof right now. So that's the roof area. Here's Nimby boy. Say hi, Nimby. Anyway, yep, so we're gonna do that. Mum's just gotta move the car out of the garage so it can start to do that. Anyway, I'll see you guys later. Let's get on with it. Okay guys, we have got the wood down here, so we are going to lay it all out here, and then we'll build it all up, screw it all together, and then we'll go cut these pieces of wood to right length and put it on the tiny home. Hopefully we can do that today. Might not be able to, but we'll see.
So we have finished laying the tiny home, well, the roof out.
As you can see.
Yeah. And now we have to, well, as you probably have guessed, drill in the holes with this very
Rusty.
1,000 years later, very rusty, whatever it's called.
Drill bit, yeah.
Drill bit. And then we have to screw the screws in. And with the screws, we have got one little because we don't have enough big ones. So we've got one big, one little. So the big one makes sure it's in and screwed, and then the little one stops it from twisting.
Yep, that's it. So now we're gonna get out the other drill because we've only got one cordless drill. We're gonna have to get the cord one out just for drilling some of the holes in before we put the screws in. Hey Daniel.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna get it out.
Where is it?
It's right there.
Oh, there.
You've got a lot of stuff here. Okay.
I'm going to work.
Wait a second, Daniel. Yeah, open that up. What will be inside? Gotta take that off. There you go. Drill! Oh, there's also some fairly little drill bits here that we can probably use. What do you reckon, Daniel? That looks actually smaller. That looks a lot better as well.
That's it.
Might use these instead. They're not rusty. Or maybe it might be a little bit too big. Yeah, it's probably a little bit big.
Yeah, I think this one will do.
No, we'll use the little one because that way the screws can actually grip.
Yeah, we'll try the little one first.
Okay, anyway, we'll get on with it. drill this thing in. Nice. Nice. Get this. And drill. There we go. That's in. Nice and tight. So now let's have a look. Singles. There we go. What do you reckon, Daniel?
Thumbs up.
It's like a thumbs down, and then it was a thumbs up.
Thumbs up.
Let's have a look at this. Woo! There's ants on me. Ants everywhere. Where are they all coming from? Okay, so we've got the wood and that's the first one in. So now we'll just go to the rest. Because it is big. Now we're gonna have to take it down to the tiny house, right?
Yeah.
And go see if it fits on. It's gonna look so cool.
Yeah.
Meet you guys down there.
Alright, so as you can tell I'm in the pool because it's very hot. Look at my hard working brother. He's like, yeah. So he's going to be putting up the ladder, as you can already, you've already seen. And we're going to put it on the side, I think. I don't know how he told me, but yeah. He told me to say this. So.
I'm gonna lift it up, and then just slide it over onto top.
Yeah.
And then that'll be it. We've also got to turn around so it slides properly.
Okay. So yeah, that's it. And yeah, we'll get to it.
Okay, Grandad, you're lifting it to Joe. Joe's lifting it to the top. Oh.
Is it recording,
I'm
Joe?
going to lift it from behind. What does it cost you a
Is the GoPro recording, Joe?
Yeah, that's
Grandad, do you want to get up into the actual tiny home? If you get up there,
the moment you didn't into the
yeah, that's what I mean though. You get up there and push those over.
you lift it up, right?
I can hold it if you push it up from there. Yeah, that's it. So you push it up, and I can hold it. There you go. Push it up again. So you might need to move your thing. There we go. You guys have got it now. I don't. Do I need to hold it somewhere else, or
Good.
I get inside the house?
This is what I really want.
When that come inside the house and you can do it easier. And Joe, you need to move your head.
That might be a line from.
And also, it needs to come forward this way a bit more.
Yeah.
So maybe Grandad and I come over here and push it this way.
Well, we gotta do it in the same time.
So can you get your thing and put it up here?
Oh, what?
Bring that inside here and then you can help push it that way. And give me one of them. And I'll help as well. Is that the right way? Okay.
Just gonna get
Holy crap.
Hey guys, we got an apple, so cool. So
Is that
cool.
better? Joe?
Yeah.
Have a look on the outside.
Okay.
Because that's as far with that banana tree as we can go. Is that the same
See?
on that side as it is on that side? And that side and that side?
I'll go get the measuring tape just a second.